JavaScript is the world's most misunderstood programming language. To understand it better, let's learn from scratch. To get started with JavaScript, all you need is a code editor and Node.js installed in your system. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime that is used to run JavaScript in terminal. I prefer VS Code for code editor. You can use whatever you want. To download the Node.js, go to Node.js.org and download and run the installer for your operating system. So let's get started by declaring our first variable. We tell JavaScript to create or declare the variable by putting the let keyword in front of it. So let's declare a variable called myname and assign the myname to some string and console log myname. To run this program, open a new terminal in the VS Code and type node index.js and you will get the output. You can also declare the variable by using var and const. So let's see their difference. So the first one is redeclaring. The variables declared using var keyword can be redeclared and updated. As you can see, we initialize the gf variable 2 times with the 2 different values. And the output is going to be a dung since it was a reassigned value. Unlike var keyword, let cannot be redeclared, but it can be updated. If we try to run this code, we will get the syntax error identifier gf has already been declared. Finally, const declaration. Whatever you declared using const cannot be changed or redeclared again. Similar to let declaration, if we try to run this code, we will get the syntax error. One of the biggest problems with declaring the variables with the var is that you can't override the variable declaration without an error. This is not an issue if we have smaller code. When our code becomes quite large, then it will produce unwanted results and bugs. Let's see what is scope in the variables. Var is a functional scope. Let's create a global variable called global greeting. Inside the function, let's create a functional greeting. Let console log both of them. If we run this program, we will get hey, which is our global variable declared at the top. And surprisingly, our functional variable we tried to access outside the function throws a reference error. Because any var variable declared inside the function will only available inside the function. Unlike var, let is a block scoped. Let's create a global variable called global message. Inside the curly braces, let's create a block scoped variable called block message. If we try to console log our global message, it will work fine, but our block message doesn't work because it is only work inside our if block. If we try to access outside the curly braces, it will throw a reference error, block message is not defined. Similar to let, const is also a block scoped variable. If we try to access the const variable outside the block, we will get a reference error, block message is not defined. Let's see what is hosting in variables. Let's try to console log the greeting variable before its initialization. In var declaration, if we try to access the variable before its initialization, we will get undefined. But what about let? Let's try the same code using let. As we know, let is very strict. Hosting in let causes reference error. If we try to run this program, we will get a reference error, cannot access greeting before its initialization. Let's try the same code using const. Hosting const will result in a syntax error. So this is all about variables in JavaScript. See you next time.